Brass Ego Adventure Team in The Legend of the Dire Wolf.
A gentleman who wishes to remain anonymous contacted us. He saw a large wolf on a hike. He took a picture of a mysterious footprint. He also found an old article about the wolf people saw in the area. He hid some information about the wolf under a large bird bath near the trailhead. We are on our way to find the information about the mysterious wolf.
Do you see anything?
Yes, it looks like there's something under some leaves and a stone. Interesting. This article tells about a large wolf seen in the area about 20 years ago. The article is calling it a dire wolf. It's faint, but there's a large footprint here.
We are on its trail.
Looks like it headed in that direction. Wait, look, it's a large wolf.
He's huge.
He was standing right here. I see no trace of him.
He moved really fast. Where did he go?
He couldn't have gone very far. Oh, wait, I think I see him.
He's keeping his distance from us.
I think we just lost him. He went into that cave.
That's a scary-looking cave.
I agree. I'm not comfortable with pursuing a wild animal into an unexplored cave.
Do you think it was a dire wolf?
Maybe, but who knows for sure. I'll mark this spot on my GPS. We'll have to come back and get proof of the dire wolf.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this adventure. If you liked this video, please click the like button, share this video with someone who would enjoy it. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.